Looking for the best Metabo angle grinder for your needs? Stick around as we rank and break down the top 5 models, from budget-friendly to powerhouse performers. Let's kick things off with the Metabo HPT G12SR4, our number 5 pick and the most budget-friendly option in today's lineup. If you're after a compact and lightweight grinder for simple jobs around the house, this one's a solid entry point in the Metabo world. At just 4 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver, especially in tight spaces. The G12SR4 comes with 5 grinding wheels, a carrying case, and all the basics to get started right out of the box. It also features a slide switch with a quick-off function, a low-profile gear case, and a side handle that can be mounted on either side, great for both righties and lefties. However, this grinder isn't made for heavy-duty tasks. Its 6.2 amp motor is on the lower end, and you won't find fancy features like variable speed or an electric brake here. It's basic, and that's fine, as long as you know what you're getting. So if you're new to grinding or need something for occasional light work, the G12SR4 has your back. For more powerful tasks though, you'll want to keep watching. And don't forget, links to all these grinders at the best prices are waiting for you in the description below. Next up at number 4 is the Metabo WEF9-125 Quick, a grinder built for precision and tight spaces. This model is perfect for folks who deal with a lot of corner grinding or welding cleanup. The standout feature here is that ultra-slim flat head design. You can get into angles as tight as 43 degrees, which is something most other grinders can't touch. It's also lightweight and ergonomic, and comes with Metabo's Marathon motor, which is designed for longevity even in dusty environments. Still, it's not quite as versatile as others in this list. The power is modest at 8 amps, and while it's perfect for finesse work, it may not keep up with heavier tasks or prolonged use like our top models can. If you're into metal work, especially welding, and need a grinder that can reach tricky corners, the WEF9-125 Quick is worth a look. And hey, if you're enjoying the breakdown so far, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Coming in at number 3 is the Metabo HPT G12SE3, a mid-range grinder that's all about power and balance. With a beefy 10.5 amp motor and a speedy 11,500 RPM, this unit is ready to tackle tougher grinding and cutting jobs. Compared to the earlier models, the G12SE3 brings noticeably more power. It's also easy to grip and use, thanks to its small handle circumference. Features like a spindle lock and toolless guard adjustment make switching out accessories simple and fast. But while it's powerful, it still lacks some of the high-end features, like variable speed or an electronic brake. It's a step up from the budget line, but not quite a pro-level tool. If you're a DIYer or a tradesperson needing something dependable and powerful without going all in on premium features, the G12SE3 is a smart pick. Now we're getting into serious territory. At number 2, we've got the Metabo WP1-125 Quick. This grinder strikes a near-perfect balance between power, safety, and comfort. With an 11 amp motor and speeds up to 11,000 RPM, it can handle demanding jobs while still being manageable in size. What makes it shine are the added safety features, a mechanical safety clutch to reduce kickback, auto-stop carbon brushes, and the tool-free disc and guard adjustments. It's comfortable to use for long periods and built for longevity. Its only real drawbacks? Again, no variable speed and no electronic brake. But for its class and price point, it offers exceptional value. If you need a grinder that won't quit and brings pro-level safety features without breaking the bank, this one's a strong contender. Topping our list at number 1 is the Metabo WP13150 Quick, the heavy hitter of the group. If you want the best of the best from Metabo, this is the one to watch. It's the most powerful tool in the lineup, with a 12 amp motor and the ability to handle larger 6-inch discs. Built for high torque and long sessions, it features everything from an anti-vibration handle to Metabo's long life motor and quick change systems. Safety? Covered. Durability? Top-notch. Performance? Outstanding. Sure, it's the heaviest in this roundup, and like the others, it doesn't offer variable speed or an electronic brake. But its raw grinding power and robust build make it perfect for pros who need to get serious work done fast and efficiently. If you're looking for the ultimate Metabo grinder, one that can tackle just about anything, this is it. All these grinders bring something to the table, but the top spot belongs to the one that offers the best blend of power, features, and durability. Check out the links in the description to grab your favorite at the best price. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more top tools.